Happy Friday, everyone. So I officially declared today PJ Day because I'm not getting out of my pajamas. My gym shut down and I'm not doing anything except maybe walking that little mutt around. I don't know. Maybe. So if you look at our map here, this is our final project or final activity on the Pythagorean theorem. So this is a Fortnite map, and we are going to be finding the distances between two locations on the map. And so, this doesn't seem to be anything crazy or whatever. The only thing is that if we're looking at this scale here, it goes up by 2, 4, 6, and so on. And so these are not like exact locations, right? So is this, 2.8 or is it 3 or whatever? And so I'm going to leave that up to your interpretation. If it is anywhere between the 2 and the 4 mark, you can call that 3 or you can call it 2.5. Whatever there. And so this first one, Pleasant Park to Frenzy Farm, let me find the Pleasant Park. Oh, there it is. Okay. So Pleasant Park, I would say that that's at -1.4. And so the vertical distance there would be, whatever. And then this one, I would say that it is at, probably 3.2. And so the horizontal distance between Pleasant Park and Frenzy Farm would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the vertical distance would be 1, 2. And so then I would use those numbers to use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared, b squared, c squared, just like we've been doing all week. And so there's that. I think there was another one on the next page here. Let's see. The shark and sweaty sands. All right, that was number 8. And so this, again, is like, between the two numbers here. And this is also between those two numbers. So you could actually call this one like -4.5. And you could call this one like -5.5 and say that there is a horizontal distance of 1 unit there. And then you can determine the vertical distance. And so this would be at like 7. And this would be at like 2, 2.5. Oh, wait, there's the city. Okay, so yeah. I don't know if it's a city, but I'm not hip to this jive. Either which way, use your best approximations. Cami is a good tool here because you can kind of take these lines and really over-enunciate them and make vertical or horizontal lines as you need. Okay, so that's pretty much all I got here. There are 10 questions, and you can either make a separate Google Doc to record your work and your answers. And by work, I just mean your setup, what you determined to be A, what you determined to be B, and then your answers, what you determined to be the actual distance. Or you can use Cami, insert some text boxes, and do the same thing. So please make sure that you give me your work and your answers. And that's pretty much all I got. So make sure that you turn this in. Have a great weekend. Have a work-free spring break, and hopefully that the weather, clears up and we're able to go outside and have some good outdoor sunshine time. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got. You guys, if you have any questions at all, please make sure that you Google Hangouts me or email or leave a comment on the Google Classroom. So any which way, I will